Y'all, this comment right here, I have never heard of anybody doing this, but now I really, really, really want to do it to my husband. Like, the next time he snores, he don't snore a lot now. He don't really snore a lot or like too loud that it keeps me up at night, but next time he snores, I really, really want so bad to just get a bread tie and tickle his nose hairs and see if it makes him stop, or if he wakes up or something. He might wake up and be like, what in the hell are you doing to me? But I don't know, it sounds fun. Let me know if you've ever tried this.